Groundwater surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 play a crucial role in assessing and monitoring the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the area. With the rapid urbanization and increasing population, it is essential to understand the groundwater situation to ensure sustainable water management. These surveyors use various techniques and equipment to collect data on the depth, level, and quality of groundwater in the region. Gurgaon Sector 29, being a densely populated area, faces significant challenges in water management. The demand for water is continuously increasing, putting pressure on the already limited water resources. Groundwater surveyors in this area help in understanding the hydrogeological conditions, such as the presence of aquifers, recharge areas, and the movement of groundwater. This information is crucial for planning and implementing effective water conservation and management strategies. The role of groundwater surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 goes beyond just data collection. They also analyze the collected data to provide valuable insights into the current and future water availability. By identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities, they can help in developing appropriate mitigation measures. Moreover, these surveyors collaborate with government agencies, NGOs, and other stakeholders to create awareness about water conservation and promote sustainable practices. SCON Design is one such organization that specializes in groundwater surveys in Gurgaon Sector 29. Their team of experienced professionals uses advanced technology and scientific methods for accurate data collection and analysis. They have a deep understanding of the local hydrogeological conditions and can provide customized solutions based on specific requirements. The services offered by SCON Design include hydrogeological investigations, groundwater modeling, well design and installation, and water quality assessments. In determining and keeping track of the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in the region, groundwater surveyors in Gurgaon Sector 29 are quite important. Understanding the groundwater situation is crucial to ensuring sustainable water management given the rapid urbanization and growing population. These surveyors gather information about the depth, elevation, and quality of groundwater in the area using a variety of methods and tools. Due to its high population density, Gurgaon Sector 29 confronts numerous difficulties managing its water resources. The pressure on the already finite water resources is growing as a result of the constant increase in water consumption. In this region, groundwater surveyors aid in understanding the hydrogeological conditions, including the existence of aquifers, places where groundwater recharges, and the movement of groundwater. This knowledge is essential for developing and putting into practice efficient water management and conservation methods. In Gurgaon Sector 29, groundwater surveyors' duties go beyond merely gathering information. In order to offer useful insights on the current and upcoming water availability, they also